Hi guys, in this video we will build a mini project, a business card using CSS. The structure. We start with a simple box that contains your name, your job title and your contact info. Next we have the styling. We'll give the box a background color and text color so that it pops visually. And we also center the content using text align and add some padding for space inside the box. First, we use the fonts. Let's add a Google font to give it a modern look, something like Puppets, Roboto, or Montserrat. Fourth, layout. Use margin and width to make the card center and not too wide. Make it look clean and professional. So you can pause the video and make the project. Try to do by yourself. Take your time, and when you complete the code, you will return to the video and we see the project. I give you 10 seconds. Well, we're going to see our project. So we open the file, the HTML file in our folder, and we see that's our business card. Now you build a real world design using CSS. Next, we will explore the box model in more detail. Keep going.